The strongest earthquake to hit Taiwan in 25 years killed 9 people recently and damaged dozens of buildings. Taiwan sits on the Ring of Fire, an arc of intense seismic activity along the Pacific Rim, and much like neighboring Japan, has a long history of catastrophic quakes. Do you know the meaning of Ring of Fire? The Ring of Fire is essentially a string of hundreds of volcanoes and earthquakes sites which runs along the Pacific Ocean. It is a semicircle or horseshoe in shape and stretches nearly 40,000 to 50 kilometers. The Ring of Fire traces the meeting points of numerous tectonic plates including the Eurasian, North American, Guand of Yucca, Caucasus, Caribbean, Nazca, Antarctic, Indian, Australian, Philippine and other smaller plates which all encircle the large Pacific plate according to a report by National Geographic. The Ring of Fire witnesses so many earthquakes due to constant sliding past, colliding into or moving above or below each other of the tectonic plates. Taiwan experiences earthquakes due to the interactions of two tectonic plates, the Philippine Sea Plate and the Eurasian Plate. The Ring of Fire and Taiwan earthquakes serves as poignant reminders of the Earth's dynamic nature and the need for proactive measures to mitigate the risk associated with seismic activity. Through international cooperation, scientific research, and community engagement, we can work towards building a safer and more resilient future in the face of natural disasters.